Good morning, children. Today we will study about reproduction in plants. Children, to produce its own kind is a characteristic of all living organisms. So the production of new individual from their parents is known as reproduction. Now coming to reproduction. So reproduction is the production of new individual from their parents. This reproduction is similar in plants as well as in animals. But as far as plants are concerned, there are basically two types of reproductions. First is asexual and second is sexual reproduction. So before coming to asexual reproduction, let's understand what are the vegetative parts of the plant. Children, the vegetative parts of the plant are the roots, stem and the leaves. And the reproductive part of the plant is the flower. Now, in plants, there are two main types of reproduction, as I said earlier. They are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means here the production of a new plant is without the help of seeds. That is, seeds are not required in asexual reproduction. Then coming to sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, production of new plants is generally by the seeds, or in other words, we may say seeds are required for the production of the new plant. Now coming to asexual reproduction. In plants, there are three different types of asexual reproduction. They are vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, etc. Now first coming to vegetative propagation. Children, in this method, new plants are produced from vegetative parts of the plant like root, stem and leaves. For example, if the stem cutting of a rose plant or money plant is planted in the soil, we get a new plant. So here there is no need of seeds. We can directly get the new plant by stem cutting. Then second example is potato. Potato has small buds which are called as eyes. If a part of the potato with an eye is cut and planted in the soil, we get a new plant. So in potato again, there is no involvement of seeds. New plant grows from the bud which are called as the eyes of the potato. Then next is, if a part of ginger is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. Similarly, in bryophyllum, leaves have buds. If a part of the leaf with a bud is planted in the soil, we get a new plant. Next example is of cactus. If a part of a cactus plant is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. So these are some of the examples of the vegetative propagation. So children, as you can see in this slide, here rose plant is grown from stem cutting. So there is no need of seeds. There only we can get the new plant by stem cutting. Secondly, money plant. You can see in this slide, money plant, if we will cut a part of it, we sow it in the soil, we can grow a new money plant. Third is potato plant. sprouting from eyes. You can see the white structures or bud-like structures on the potato plant. These are called as the eyes. If we will sow them in the soil, we will get the new plant, potato plant. The next is ginger. Ginger, if we sow a piece of ginger in the soil, we can get the ginger plant. So there is no need of seeds. Now you can see the bryophyllum. Bryophyllum leaf with new plants. You can see bryophyllum has buds on the leaves. When we cut a piece of this leaf along with that bud and sow it in the soil, we can get a new bryophyllum plant. Similarly, cactus, you can see in this figure, if we cut a piece of cactus and sow it in the soil, we can get the new cactus. So children, next rest we will study in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.